previous video, we had covered some of these few things. We had covered the P tag, the H tag, the PR, and the HRR. So let's cross them off the list. The P, the H, the BR, and the HR. So in today's video, we're going to be covering the RF, that's the air tags and the image. Then we shall do this unordered listing, ordered listing, and listed items. So let's dive back into the previous section. This is where we were. Now this video shall be entering anchor tags, we shall be inserting images, and then how to change the background color. Then later on I'll show you the difference between ordered listing and unordered listing, and then we shall get to it. So let's dive into it. Let's delete all these things that we did the other previous time. So that we start afresh. Okay, now for what we're going to begin with, let's begin with how to insert the background color. So for background color, you just come to the body section. This is in HTML, but there is a point whereby we shall be using CSS where it will be easier. Then for HTML, what you just do is write BG color or background color equals to, you give the color that you want. Let me go with tomato. Okay, now once you press Ctrl S, then go live. Remember the other live server that I taught you about? This is how the background will be looking like. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be going side by side and you'll be seeing what I'll be doing. So now let's get into the body, as we are going to be inserting the anchor, the image, and so on. So let's start with the anchor tags. The anchor tag is just a, then there's that href, that's the reference that you'll be using it for. Now when what you type, like what you want to connect to or link it to, this is just like linking. What you want to link it to, you write it in between here. Let's say I want to link it to, let's just say next, then that's all. Once you press Ctrl S, you see it appears blue. That means that it is linking, but it is not linked to anything. If you want it to be linked to something, you have to fix it here in the href. Now what we are going to do is this. It's going to be simple, whereby for us to link it to let's link it to a new page. We open a new file, let's say new.html. okay, now we have generate the code, you save it, then come back to your code. Then what you do is you say here, you write here new.html. That's all you do. Then once you come and press here next, it is going to be linking it to the other page. As you can see, it is in the other new page, because in this page there was nothing written. Now what if we write something else so that you believe? Let's just put here lorem, and then you see, then you can also link this same page to the previous one just with the a tag. Then you link it to index.html. then what you say is, you can say their previous. I don't know if that's how you write previous. Now that's how it is. Once you press on previous, it comes to back. Once you press next, it goes to the next. So that's all with the anchor tags. So we are done with the anchor tags. Now let's go to the next, that's the image tags. So for image, what you do is, let's come back to the first one that we had. So for image, so What for image, you just put img, that's the image. Then there are these two things. There's the source attribute and there's the alternative attribute. The source is where it will direct you where the image is. Then the alternative is what appears on the screen, like when there is no data or there is no Wi-Fi or there is no connectivity to the internet. Then that text that appears, it's good for screen readers. So always add it for a better website. Okay, let's now start the source. For source, what we're going to do is, we already have our image here. We have to put the image in the folder that we created on the desktop previously in the first video. So you put your image there. Then what you do is you just give the image name. It's Docker. Okay. Then the alternative text is, before I show for you the alternative text, no, let me first give you the alternative text. It is a Docker. Let's just say like that. Control S. Then the image will appear. As you can see, the image is not sized and it's somehow big. It's just all over. Because it comes in the real size, it does not have reduce. Then what you do, if you want to reduce the size of the image, you just say height. Let's give it a height of 200 pixels. Once you give that, the size reduces. Then the width adjusts automatically. But if you want to adjust it yourself, you can also come. You say width. Maybe you want a square. See, but I prefer you don't adjust the width and just leave it with the height, because the width will adjust automatically. So this is how it will appear for the image. Then if you want the A tags, the anchor tags go under, what you do is, after the image, you just say BR, remember, break. Then after saving, it comes under. So that's all with the image. So that's all we did for image. Let's go to the next video. We have covered the anchor tags. Then we have covered the anchor tags. That's for the linking process, remember. Then we have also covered the image. Then what we are coming to do is the unordered list and the ordered list. Then in unordered list and ordered list, it always encloses the listed items. So let me show for it physically as we come back to the video. Let me zoom out and we go back. Welcome back. Okay, well, you have now reached till the moment in this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave some comments so that we know what we are doing wrong or what we are doing right, or what you need to learn more, because we are with you on this journey as you also follow us in our journey. So let's start with the listed items. You know, in a list there's always something whereby it is numbered. So for listed items, what you just not listed items, there's ordered listing. So for ordered listing, what we're going to do is, in between the opening and the closing, you have to have the listed items tag. Then let's give some listed items. Let's just give some fruits. Banana. There's apple. There's orange. Then let's say guava. Okay, so these are how the listed items appear. It comes in a number form: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how listed items are. Then let's give it a heading here first, because we don't want it to be confused with others. Let's say let's say ordered list. Ordered list. Then let's come to an ordered list. For an ordered list, you now say UL. That's an ordered list. Then let's start with the listed items. Let's just copy the same. We just copy the same, and then we just paste it here. I'm using the difference. For listed items, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then an ordered list is with these dots. That's the automatic. But if you want to change how this is an ordered list appears, you can, but that's for a later video. And please, you have reached this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. So for today's bonus, in the bonus, I'm going to show for you how to change the text color. So want to just come here, then want to just say style, color, let's say white. That's how you change the color of a text. You have to use the style attribute for you to change it. And then if you wanted in the whole body, you could put it here. Style, color, let's say aqua. Now all of them are changed to aqua, except this one, except the one in ordered list. Okay, thank you for watching the video with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you help build our community, and we also help you all in all. Please stay tuned for the next video as we shall be continuing.